Hey guys, this is Mike Buick from Waverley Mitsubishi. I'm going to be making a video today about beautiful 2012 Audi Q5 Turbo. This beautiful vehicle, I'm going to show you a bit more of it in a second. This vehicle is under $16,000. You're not going to find an Audi Q5 for less than that anywhere else in the city. So let's take a walk around of the vehicle. Super excited to show you this, guys. This is the 2012 Audi Q5. Just look at the front end. Audi make an amazing looking car. To top it off, you get beautiful 18-inch Michelin tires all season, 18-inch in amazing condition. I'm just going to walk around the side, show you a bit more of the vehicle. As you can see, no noticeable dents or dings or scratches. This vehicle is in amazing condition for its age. With only 97,000 kilometers, it's driven half of its life that it should have been driven. It's an amazing condition, as you can quite clearly see. And we're going to look inside in a moment, so be prepared for some beautiful interior on this car. So as you can see, guys, with it being an Audi, German technology amazing, you're going to get memory seats. You're also going to get power locks and power seats with lumbar support. The beautiful beige seats, leather, premium leather with no cracks or any fading at all, as well as the beautiful two-tone gray interior. Makes this vehicle pop. So as you can see, you do get auto headlights, as well as cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone. Just going to show you the back, heated front seats as well, of course. In this particular vehicle, heated rear seats as well. Amazing. Look at the condition of those seats, guys. This vehicle is clean, as well as fitted Audi Q5 all-weather mats as well. And I'm going to pan up and you will see the beautiful panoramic moon window. It's a sunroof that opens, but it spans the whole length of the vehicle. Perfect for a family outing where you can enjoy the scenery. Not when you're driving, of course, but you can certainly enjoy the scenery in your family. So as you can quite clearly see, guys, this vehicle has 97,911 kilometers. It should have 190,000 kilometers by this time of its life. Now, I'm going to pan to the stereo system. This vehicle has the Audi Concert, which is the high-end stereo system. This is going to beat some tunes out for you. As you see, you've got your heated seats, push start, and electric handbrake. And you can see by the interior there's not one scratch or dent. You also have the compass in your rear view mirror, of course, and the controls for your moonroof. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to pan to the back from the driver's seat, and you can see the spacious interior of the back with no fading or cracking on the leather seats. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a must-see, guys, a must-see. I'm going to pop the hood for you in a moment and show you under the hood of this beautiful German car. So back again, guys, under the hood you will see that the Audi TFSI engine, so an injection engine with a 2-liter turbo. So this thing's got some pep, enough to get you some decent mileage on the highway with its 2-liter engine. And as you see, everything is in immaculate condition. No noticeable rust, anything like that. The car has been kept very clean and tidy. Also with this vehicle, you will get a block heater and a command start, guys. Absolutely unbelievable value for less than $16,000. Come see Mike at Waverley Mitsubishi and let's make this happen.